Upgrading or replacing your windows and doors is one of the most impactful home improvement decisions you can make. Not only do these changes improve your home's aesthetic appeal and security, but they also enhance energy efficiency and comfort. If you're in Crestview, hiring a window and door solutions expert is the best way to ensure that the job is done professionally, efficiently, and with a high level of quality. In this article, we'll walk you through what to expect when hiring a Crestview window and door solutions expert, from the initial consultation to the final installation. Understanding the process and knowing what to expect can help you feel confident in your decision and make the entire experience smoother and stress-free. Initial consultation and assessment. The process begins with an initial consultation, where the expert will assess your needs and take a close look at your existing windows and doors. This is a crucial first step to ensure you're choosing the right products and solutions for your home. Personalized advice. During the consultation, a Crestview window and door expert will provide you with personalized advice on what types of windows and doors are best suited for your home's architecture, your lifestyle, and your budget. They'll consider factors like your home's age, the climate in Crestview, and your energy efficiency needs to recommend the ideal products. Product selection. The expert will help you explore a wide range of options. Whether you prefer energy-efficient windows, security doors, or stylish French doors, they will guide you through the selection process. Experts can recommend materials such as vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum based on your preferences for aesthetics, durability, and maintenance. Detailed estimate and timeline. Once the expert has assessed your needs, they will provide a detailed estimate and timeline for the project. This will include the cost of materials, labor, and any other necessary expenses like permits or removal of old windows and doors. Transparent pricing. A professional window and door solutions expert will give you a clear, itemized estimate that outlines all costs involved. They'll explain how different options, such as energy-efficient models or custom designs, might affect the price. This transparency ensures there are no surprises when it comes to final billing. Project timeline. The expert will also provide you with a timeline that details when the materials will arrive, the duration of the installation, and any expected disruptions. Typically, window and door installations can take anywhere from a day to several days, depending on the scope of the project. Having a clear timeline will allow you to plan accordingly. Professional installation process. The installation phase is when the real transformation begins. When you hire an expert for your window and door installation in Crestview, you can expect a professional and efficient process that ensures the highest quality standards. Preparation. The installation team will arrive on the scheduled date, fully equipped with the tools and materials needed for the job. They will ensure your home is protected, using drop cloths and protective coverings for your floors and furniture. They'll also remove any old windows or doors safely and properly, taking care to avoid damage to your home's structure. Precise installation. Professional installers are skilled in measuring and fitting windows and doors accurately. They will install your new windows or doors with precision, ensuring they are secure, sealed properly, and aligned perfectly. This ensures they operate smoothly, provide optimal insulation, and enhance your home's overall energy efficiency. Attention to detail. The expert installers will pay close attention to every detail, including proper sealing to prevent air leaks, and making sure the windows or doors open and close easily. They will also take care to ensure that no gaps are left around the frames, which is essential for maximizing the product's lifespan and efficiency. Post-installation cleanup and inspection. After the installation is complete, a reputable window and door solutions expert will ensure your home is thoroughly cleaned, leaving no debris or construction materials behind. Cleaning and disposal. The installation team will carefully remove any debris and dispose of old materials, including old windows and doors, in an eco-friendly manner. Your home will be left spotless, with no signs of the installation process. Inspection and quality check. The expert will conduct a final inspection of the installed windows and doors to ensure everything is functioning correctly. They will check for proper alignment, smooth operation, and secure locks or seals. If there are any minor adjustments needed, they will take care of them immediately. Customer walkthrough. The installer will walk you through the newly installed windows and doors, explaining how to care for and maintain them. They'll also provide maintenance tips and answer any questions you may have. Warranty and ongoing support. When you work with a trusted window and door expert in Crestview, you can expect comprehensive warranty coverage on both the products and installation. Warranty. A reliable company will offer warranties on both the windows, doors, and the installation work. This means if any issues arise with your new windows or doors within the warranty period, the company will handle repairs or replacements at no additional cost. Continued support. A professional expert will provide ongoing customer support if you ever need assistance. Whether it's routine maintenance, repairs, or inquiries about other home improvement projects, you'll have access to reliable, local support. Conclusion. Hiring a Crestview window and door solutions expert ensures that your home's upgrades are handled by skilled professionals who prioritize quality, safety, and customer satisfaction. From the initial consultation to the final installation and post-installation support, these experts provide personalized service, expert advice, and a seamless experience. By working with local professionals, you'll enjoy beautiful, energy-efficient windows and doors that enhance your home's curb appeal, comfort, and value, giving you peace of mind for years to come.